Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are still in Ghana, and since avocado are in abundance here, we are making avocado ice cream. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy ice cream. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming out. Thank you so much. Come with me and let's make this delicious ice cream together. For our ingredients for making our avocado ice cream, that's avocado, that's the main ingredients: condensed milk, evaporated milk, and a pinch of salt. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for ice cream. We'll start with our avocado. Guys, look how our avocado is really super fresh, and we are going to just a pinch of salt and your evaporated milk. We'll go ahead and blend it with our hand blender. How creamy fluffy our avocado is. Now go ahead and add condensed milk, and the amount of condensed milk depends on how sweet you want your ice cream to be. So I don't want my avocado ice cream to be more sweet in between, so this amount is okay. But if you want it more sweet, you add more condensed. But if you want it more sweeter, you add more condensed milk to your ice cream. But for me, this amount is okay. Then you go ahead and mix all. Perfect, guys. Our ice cream is ready and it's going into the freeze. Guys, check out our avocado ice cream. It's ready. It's really looking delicious and it's healthy. This ice cream, everybody can enjoy it. Yeah, I bet me this ice cream way. For children, for adults, for convalescent patients, everybody can enjoy this ice cream. Just give it a try and comment below. Let me know how it turns out. We'll go ahead and pour it in our container. Guys, look. And then we just shake it. We go ahead and shake it. Our ice cream is ready and we are going to take it into the freezer. See you later. Guys, from the freezer, this is how our ice cream is looking like. Our avocado ice cream is ready, guys. So let's go ahead and scoop it. Look, guys, ice cream papa, very healthy for the whole family, guys. Original avocado ice cream. Look how creamy it is, guys. Guys, just have a look. You are all invited, but it's rather unfortunate you cannot come and eat with us. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy avocado ice cream. If you are new to this channel, guys, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, this is for you and everyone watching my videos. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. By the way, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Give me a comment below because your comment means a lot to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye. Adieu. Do kiss kiss.